Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Stitch Fix box for you. So it's about that time. Let's see, this box came in great shape this time, so that's always a good sign. It's kind of heavy. Let's see what's in here. And as always, it comes with a little envelope. Thanks for letting us style you. And then there's a list of all of the items and prices. I'll let you know as we go. And then this sheet, I guess, tells you the many ways you can wear the pieces or other pieces they have to fit what they sent you. And of course, it comes with a priority mail envelope for anything that I don't want to keep. So let's see. Now, my first Stitch Fix box, there were things in there that I didn't want to keep, but my second one, I ended up keeping all of it. It comes wrapped in this brown plastic with a Stitch Fix sticker on it. That's hard to say. Okay, so first I'm going to show you them here. I'm going to get rid of the paper so it's not crinkly and loud. I'm going to show you here. I'll tell you about the item and the price, and then I'll go try them on and add pictures. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this is so soft. Look at this. Wow. Oh, I really like the feeling of this. So it's kind of odd that it's all, the sleeves are all inside out. There we go. So it's like 3/4 sleeves, I guess. And this one is Pink Clover. So let's check it out. Oh, there's two items from Pink Clover. This is the Denver Front Twist Brushed Knit Top. Say that fast. I got it in an extra large, and it is $38. It says it's dark pink. So that's this one here. Oh, it's so soft. I love, love, love soft clothes. So I'll try that one on soon. This next piece, I like the maroon color here. This one here, it's long sleeve. Can you see it? I don't know that I'm doing it justice holding it up the way I am. So I like, this is the back, and then the front is a V-neck. So I bet that'll be really cute on. And again, I got this in an extra large. And, ooh, I need to see what kind it is. It is Love Ellie, Mia Back. Love Ellie, Mia Back, Burgundy. It's $44. And like I said, I got that one in an extra large. Okay, the next one, now these look just like they're for me. These are, I can never say the name of the yoga, like the yoga company, Gaiam. I guess I should look since I'm actually an affiliate for them too. Okay, so I just started the other day. Let's see, and it happened to come in this box. How crazy is that? So here are some yoga pants. And they are like smaller at the bottom, but they don't look super tight. So these are black, and they are Jordan Nirvana Jogger. These are $50. They're an extra large in black. So I don't know. They look like they're going to be baggy. So I'm really going to have to try these on and see if I like them. Okay. The next one is, ooh, a pair of jeans. Now, the last time Stitch Fix sent me a pair of jeans, I loved them. So here's the jeans. They've got like the distressing on them, all the little holes and stuff. Super cute. The knees. And then the bottoms, well, they're folded up, so I'm not sure. I'm going to have to try them and see. Both sides are folded like that. These are size, well, I ordered 14s. They say 15/32. So we'll have to see if they fit. They are indigo. They're Judy Blue, Adeline Girlfriend Cuffed Distressed Jeans. So these are $58. So $58. Ooh, the next one is a comfy sweater. Now, it's not like furry like the first one, like furry and soft, But this one I like. It's not like scratchy or has that weird feeling. I like that it's open like that. Let's see, this has got some pockets. This is, it says Stitch Fix exclusive. Pink clover, nori textured 2-pocket cardigan. That's the word I was looking for. So a cardigan. And this one is $48. It's actually probably one of my favorites. Don't you think this would look super cute with those jeans? So that is this one. I like the cardigan. Now, if you, so the subtotal is $238. Or if you buy all of them, you get a 25% discount, which brings it down to $59.50. And I have credit on there from something else. So let's see, promo or other credit. Don't lose your styling fee. It will be credited towards your items. So yeah, when you purchase items, they mark off the styling fee on there also. So actually, most of the time, it ends up being cheaper when you get all 5. So, and it's free shipping. All right, so I'm going to try them all on, and I will take some pictures and add them here somewhere or throughout and mash this video together and get it to you as soon as I can. All right, everybody, this is Stitch Fix in December 2020. See you soon.